Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and a very warm welcome to each one of you gathered here today for the brochure release and Annadana launch program of Vaidehi Women and Child Foundation. It is indeed pleasure to see so many familiar faces as well as new ones coming together for his noble cause. To begin with, it's my distinct honor to privilege to extend heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Sri Rajesh Krishnan ji. Sri Rajesh Krishnan ji is not only just a celebrated singer, but also a person immense compassion and generosity. His contributions to the world music have touched the hearts of millions, and his presence here today adds melodious charm to our event. Sir, we are truly honored to have you with us. Your support and encouragement means a lot to us, and we look forward to your words and wisdom to our inspiration. Yes, Anna. I would also like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to the trustees of Vaidehi Women and Child Foundation. Your unwavering support and dedication have been the continuous to our success. Our vision and commitment to improving the lives of women and child foundation have immensely improved. Immensely. All my new amended trustees, in fact, Mr. Vikram Dikshit, Mohan Kabur, Karthik Bharadwaj, and husband, Lieutenant Colonel Mukesh Arya, immense support to the Vaidehi Women and Child. Progressive today, any support, whatever I'm getting because of these people. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. To our special guest donors, volunteers, and as well-wishers, thank you for gracing with us in your presence. Your belief and mission to our generous contributions have been instrumental and driving programs to look forward. Today's event marks another milestone to our journey, and it could not have been possible without your continuous support. In conclusion, I once again extend a warm welcome to Sri Rajesh Krishnan ji, my brother, Anna, and a big thank you all the trustees, guests, and everyone present here today. Together, let us continue to work towards a brighter and better future for the women and child we serve. Thank you so much. Finally, though he calls me Anna anta Kari anta, nan tangi anta, but it is not easy to sit next to him. I was damn nervous, to be very frank, though I met him many a times, but still I was shivering. Yes, thanks Amma, thanks for making graceful this occasion. In fact, thanks to Rajesh Krishnan ji's sister here, and I'm very, very, very glad to welcome you here, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. And ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿ ನನಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಕರೆದು ಉಮಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ದೋ ವಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 1 or 2 times in fact. Very, very special place. Namrata, thank you so much for coming. Thank you. ಸರ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಸರ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಟ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್, ನಟ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಈವೆಂಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಮಾತಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಉಮಾರಿಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು, ಅಭಿವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.